What's up everybody, Damon here with IGN News. Microsoft has started rolling out its latest Xbox 360 dashboard update with 3 million global subscribers getting access today. The remainder of users will start seeing their consoles updated over the coming weeks. So, what's in the new dashboard? I will tell you. If you're one of those lucky 3 million, Xbox Music is available now. You can begin your 30-day free trial today. The new app comes alongside a new user interface which is more in line with the Microsoft modern UI as seen on Windows 8 and Windows Phone. Internet Explorer is another major addition which gives you the ability to read, for example, IGN.com on your console. A new feature called pinning lets you personalize the dashboard by saving your favorite movies, TV shows, games, music, videos, and websites right to the home screen. You just open an app or a favorite website and click Pin. The video service formerly known as the Zune Video Marketplace has been renamed Xbox Video. Previously called Quick Play, the Recent View gives you a list of movies, games, apps, or other types of content that you most recently accessed on the console. The last Xbox Live update brought Bing Voice Search to Xbox, so you can use voice to search for movies, TV shows, actors, directors, and artists. Now they've added genre search to the list, so you can search for action, comedy, romance, drama, or sci-fi. Bing Voice Search now also includes results for video across the web, including YouTube. Finally, Connect Voice Search capabilities have been expanded to 9 new countries: Canada, France, Germany, Japan, Mexico, Italy, Spain, Austria, and Ireland. What do you plan to pin to your dashboard? I'll be pinning stuff like Netflix, Hulu Plus, and HBO Go. Hopefully we can pin Xbox Live Arcade too. For all things Xbox, stay tuned to IGN.